In this video, we are going to walk through how to calculate the cost of a job, which is part of job order costing in managerial accounting. Process costing focuses on accumulating costs for each production process. Generally, we see process costing used when a firm produces homogeneous products like Hershey chocolate when it makes chocolate kisses. Homogeneous means similar or identical. The items are produced in a continuous fashion through a series of uniform steps or processes. Process costing is not limited to manufacturers. Other examples of types of companies that could use process costing include paint manufacturers, oil refineries, and cereal processors. Job costing accumulates costs for each individual job. Companies use job costing when different jobs vary widely in the resources and time required and the complexity of the manufacturing processes. Because each job is unique, costs are assigned to specific units or small batches of products that are distinctly identifiable as they pass through production. Job costing is not limited to manufacturers. Professional service providers such as law firms, accounting firms, consulting firms, and marketing firms use job costing to determine the cost of serving each client. People working in trades such as mechanics, plumbers, and electricians also use job costing to determine the cost of performing separate jobs for clients. In both cases, the job cost can be used as a basis for billing the client. The cost of a job is calculated as the job's direct materials, plus its direct labor, plus its manufacturing overhead. Direct materials and direct labor are traced directly to each job. Manufacturing overhead, on the other hand, is allocated to a job based on that job's usage of the allocation base. The allocation base can be total direct labor hours, total machine hours, or something else. That's it. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz and is part of the Accounting Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.